Hello everybody, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our severe weather forecast for the next few days for the United States. Starting with our severe weather outlook for today, August 16th, we are going to be going over our severe weather outlook for 3 days. Let's start with today, August 16th, 2025, as we do have a slight risk over here for South Dakota, including the cities of Rapid City and Pierre. Those are the major cities that are in the slight risk. We also have other cities that are in the slight risk, including Miller, Clark, Aberdeen, and Spearfish, and even between any of those, we could see some scattered severe weather today. And we do have a tornado risk over here outlined for southern Wisconsin today and northern Illinois, not including Chicago, and also includes eastern Iowa and southeastern Minnesota. So yeah, we do got a tornado risk today, and it includes the major cities of Rochester, Winona, La Crosse, and Madison, Milwaukee, Waukegan. Also, watch out if you're in Lubbock, Rockford, and any of these, and anywhere near those locations, even Beaver Dam, Reedsburg, and Richland Center. That's what our tornado risk is today. It is not in the slight risk, though. It is in the marginal risk. But the slight risk, we could see some strong winds as the main concern. We're not really expecting any tornadoes. We're expecting winds up to 70 miles per hour possible in some of these clusters, lines, and supercells will even be a possibility. Some small hail will also be a possibility in western South Dakota. So make sure if you're in western South Dakota, park your car in a garage so it doesn't get damaged by hail. And we do get a large marginal risk coming off the slight risk going over here, which is a very large marginal risk. It includes Michigan, northern central Indiana, including Indianapolis and Fort Wayne. Also includes Chicago and northern Illinois, and all of Michigan except in parts of the UP of Michigan as well, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. Actually, a tornado or two will be a possibility, but mainly inside this dark green. So yeah. You should stay weather aware if you're in this area today. Also, if you're in eastern Montana today, I also recommend staying weather aware, as you guys could see some scattered severe weather as well. Let's check out our day 2 outlook for tomorrow, August 17th, which is a pretty large marginal risk that expands from eastern Montana through South Dakota all the way down into Iowa and then into northern Illinois, and then into central northern Indiana. And this includes the large cities of Des Moines, Chicago, Minneapolis, and these locations. This is the whole marginal risk. So if you're in this tomorrow, then I'd recommend staying weather aware. Some scattered severe weather will be possible. We don't have a tornado risk outline, so we're not really expecting any tornadoes right now, but just expect severe thunderstorms possibly, and some small hail currently. So tomorrow. Let's check out our day 3 outlook for August 18th, 2025, which we do have another marginal risk pretty much for the same area. The reason why this is happening is because we have something up here causing severe weather down here a lot. So yeah. But we do got marginal risk for August 18th, 2025, which is for the same location. So sky severe weather will be a possibility on August 18th. It's pretty much the same area. So yeah, that was our severe weather outlook. Let's go over our tropical weather outlook for the next few days, as we do got Hurricane Erin over here continuing to move closer to the United States. Its tracks, they're expecting it to go into the Atlantic Ocean, not expecting it to make landfall right now. But as you can see, the eye is coming out of the cone, which they'll probably update it. I don't know what it's going to be like or anything, but it's coming out of the cone. So this is our tracks that we could see it go. So my guess is that it's just going to go like this, or like this. One of these. I don't think it will contact any land. We could see some flooding and moderate impacts from this hurricane on the east coast if it does impact anything. But if you're in the east coast, just be aware for possible flooding from Erin and stuff like that. I don't think it will go. I don't think it will hit Florida. But if you're in Florida, just stay aware. Be watching this. If you're in the entire east coast, watch this. because this does have a potential to make landfall somewhere on the East Coast. But the main concern right now is down here, because this is contacting a lot of Puerto Rico and a lot of islands in here, so that's why we need to stay aware if you're down there. But the main thing that I think that will happen will just go up here like this, kind of like that, and I don't think it will contact any land, but it is possible. And we do got something kind of surprising, as we do have a tropical disturbance over here, where we have a very low chance for development of tropical cyclone formation. So if you're over here, just something to be watching. But I really don't think we'll see anything develop. But we can see what it says. It says, broad and weak area of low pressure located off the coast of North Carolina is producing disorganized shower activity. Some slight development of the system is possible over the next day or two, while it moves a little over warm waters of the Gulf Stream by Monday. Environmental conditions are expected to become unfavorable for further development. So yeah, that's what that says. And we do got a chance for a lot of heavy rainfall over here in this location, which is up here for parts of Minnesota and parts of Wisconsin, which is over here. So if you're in this area, you guys probably could see some strong wind gusts, minor wind gusts over here. Otherwise, you guys could just see some flooding possible. Nothing too crazy, but maybe just flooding will be possible because this thing is moving pretty slow. So hopefully that will move east and hopefully die out and stuff like that. And yeah, we do got a line of storms. Well, not a line of storms, a line of rain moving through over here on the west coast, actually. Well, it's going east, but it's on the west coast, going this way. So you guys could see some rain if you're anywhere over here. Will be a possibility to see rain today. So yeah, we do got some heat wave, a very small heat wave kind of going through, as we do have 2 heat warnings out here. So make sure to stay hydrated today as well. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Stay weather aware, and we'll probably come out with another update video with Aaron possibly today. But if it does shift towards the United States, you'll know who to go to. See you guys later. Have a good day, and bye.